How do you know that your corn is ready to be harvested? Now, one of the ways I know that this corn is ready to be harvested is to check the silk. When the corn is still fresh, the silk is cream. Sometimes it has a pink color. Maize matures within 3 months. When your maize starts to get to 2 months and above, you know that that's some of the maize, some of them is mature to be harvested. Now, this silk has turned deep brown and it's dry. It feels dry. Another way you can know if the corn is ripe is to check it. So I would open it up. I'll open it up and I'll come back for us to check it. Let's check another one. Now see that this one is still cream. It's not yet ready to be harvested. See the size and see the silk is still cream and feels wet, still feels damp. So this particular one is definitely not ready to be harvested. I've actually harvested some. You can see that this one is dry. I harvested one from here. But this particular one, the silk is not visible here. But for me to know that it is ready to be harvested, I might have to open it up and check it. I'll open it up and show it to us later. Let's check for another one. I didn't plant so much. I've harvested from some plants already. I think this one is also ready to be harvested. This one is already very brown. I'm excited because I'm going to have some corn for snack time. So I guess this one is ready to be harvested. It has turned brown. It feels dusty already, so this one is matured to be harvested. Let's check another one. I think this too should be ready. I think this should be ready too. You can see that it is brown already. It doesn't feel as full, but sometimes it's like that. Some of them will feel very full, while some might not feel very full. I think it's also matured to pluck out. This one also feels brown and dusty. So this feels full. So this is ready to be harvested. So I will harvest them, then I'll show you what it looks like. Another way to know if the corn is ready is you can pull out the back to check inside. Like I said, I was going to peel it and show you. So as soon as you open it up, you can press one of them, and if the water that comes out of it is looking cream, is ready. But if the water looks clear, so that's white and clear, that means it's not ready. But this corn is ripe enough to be harvested. I've punctured one of it earlier and it looked cream. This is it. It looks mature. It's already mature to be harvested. This one does not have the silk outside. So the best way to know that it is ready is to open it up and check inside. See how matured it looks inside. So this is definitely ready to be harvested. If you open it up and it's not ready to be harvested, you just close it back and just close it back and leave it for some days.